What up, fam? I'm back. It's your boy. It's breakfast time in the big guy household. So I'm gonna attempt to make 2 ingredient biscuits. So here we go.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Okay. And we be putting on for sure. And if you know this, join in, subscribe to the channel. We like the video, it's a big family. And we putting on big for the team. Oh, big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. Big guy.
Hey, big guy.
They gon' feel us when we roll.
All right, going with 2 cups of flour, self-rising flour, and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. So let's get it. Whipping cream. I got me a cup here. Just 1 cup. Make sure I got enough. Pour this guy in here. That's 2 cups of self-rising flour. And a cup of cream. There we go. There we go. Now we're gonna mix. Gonna mix it. Gonna mix it. You guys know how biscuits get. They get all doughy, they get thick. And let me go ahead and get my other hand, get it to that point, and then I'll bring you guys back in. Different angle, guys. So, take a little flour, after I got it all mixed, sprinkle it on top. Hands are clean. Sprinkle it on top. Take off the excess of the spoon. Get to the side, you guys. You already know this is the messy process with biscuits. More flour. That's why I hardly ever make biscuits. But I wanted to try it today. Get together, get it mixed up. Right. Okay, a little gel. Move to the side. The area here. Spread out your flour. There you go. Then you bring this guy over here. And you work with it. Kneel it with the K. And what it does is mixes it all together. Add a little more flour wherever you need to. Add a little bit more. Make sure it's good. Here we go. This is only two ingredients. 2 ingredients. I don't like make biscuits all the time, so I don't have like a rolling pin. So I'm about to have a makeshift rolling pin. I think it's just about ready. Probably get it to a point to where it's at least a ½ inch. Depends on how much you're making to. So I'm gonna get it to a point to where I can roll it out. Look, I'm almost got it with my hand. All nice and flat. You see that? Look at that. There we go. I think I'm good like this. Might not need to roll it out. But this is mad easy, you know? I'm gonna take a little bit more flour. Put it over top. There we go. I think I'm good. I don't think I need to roll it out. I didn't make much anyway. It's probably make about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9 biscuits. I can get 9 out of it. Okay. Rinse my hands. Wash my teeth. So these black folks can eat. Yeah. All right, guys. I found a little shake maker, so I'm going to do, bam. Look at that. I'm gonna put it in my pan, my pan here that I'm working with. Let's put it in the pan. Bam. Go ahead and get these done. Pray you guys had a wonderful holiday. I pray everybody's well in your family. I pray you guys are healthy, happy, grateful. Life is so precious, you know. I pray these biscuits are not too thin. Because they do look kind of thin. But this is my first attempt at it, so we're gonna see how it works out. So don't be afraid to try nothing, you know what I'm saying? I was like, dang, I don't have any like bread or toast, anything break toast with. So I said, let's look up some recipes of biscuits. I got some flour. I just so happen to buy some heavy whipping cream, and I'm gonna use it. You know. I know I'm bending over. I'm almost finished. Last one. All right. don't look at that one. But these guys right here, it should come out nice and fluffy, I guess. It's a two ingredient biscuits. We're gonna see how they turn out. And we're gonna go from there. In the oven, let the oven on 400. Maybe about what, 10 minutes? We'll see. Okay guys, so I'm still waiting on the biscuits. I'm going to make some eggs. So what I do with my eggs is I add butter to the mixture. I don't add salt or pepper to this at all. I know, it's not gonna be healthy, but I beat them. I beat the hell out of these eggs, you feel me? And what that does is it allows them to be fluffy when I cook them. The only thing I do to my eggs, I add butter to the actual mix when I beat them, and then butter to the pan. And that's it. I'm gonna show you guys how these guys come out. Oh, I add cheese at the end, like a Kraft single slice of cheese. I add that, and that'll be my salt or seasoning for it. Here guys, got some grits going here. Gotta have those grits. Country meal. Got a little butter. Got some milk, almond milk. I'll put a little sugar, salt in it, and I also put an egg, one egg in it. Let's see over there. Just mix it up. That's country preference. It's cold here in Florida for some reason. This weekend, this last 2 days this week, it's been really cold. It's like 37 degrees outside, so just fix the family some comfort food. We're still waiting on these biscuits, guys. I guys got my eggs in on a medium heat. Well, I went high and I brought them down low. Just be patient with your eggs. I've showed you guys my eggs before, so I'm not gonna bore you with the details here. So let these guys eat. Let these guys go. But this is the thing right here. This is where it's all at. So give me 2 seconds to get these eggs done, and then we're gonna butter our biscuits. Yeah, let's get these guys going. That was my first video too. All right, butter these biscuits. Gotta butter your biscuits. You know what I'm saying? Gotta butter the biscuits. Are complete. These things come out the right way every time, man. I love my eggs. I love them. Alright guys, if you guys are making these biscuits, make them, see, mine kind of thin. So of course you saw how I did it and why I did it. But make yours at least a ½ inch thick if you want them tall. I'm just gonna throw some biscuits on these jokers and boom, 2 ingredient biscuits. Not bad at all. This was an experiment. Just see if it works. So I'll do another video doing them the right way. And actually I tasted them. They're pretty good. So just heavy whipping cream, 2 cups, and 2 cups of flour. And I like the butter mine. I stopped them so they wouldn't burn on the bottom, so they're pretty brown. But they're good. I mean, I'm gonna actually take one off and let you see how moist they are. I'm very surprised in the results. Here's the experiment biscuits at the bottom. Crust is pretty soft. And watch this. This is how you do it moisten out. Stay in place. Then they're done. They cook for like 15 minutes. Nice and flaky and moist. Look at that. That's pretty cool. 2 ingredient biscuits. 2 ingredients. I'm just breaking it up so you guys can see that they are done and they're moist. Boom. If you want to go straight country with it, throw some serpent up and jokers. So I used to eat them when I was a kid. And there's syrup on top of them. Let me taste it. Yeah, these are good. 2 ingredients. I had not been making biscuits for a long time because I thought they were too cumbersome. I didn't want to make all the mess. Well, they're really good. Oh, I will be making them again. So, out of necessity breeds success. And this was successful. Look at that. And they're good too. I like the whole thing. So, okay guys, here we go. Nice country breakfast. Got sausage, patties, got cheese eggs, grits, and homemade biscuits. Yes, yes, yes. Gotta bust it open. Put it together. Bust it open. Boom. You can add your ingredients, man. And go for it. Look at that. Homemade out the oven, my own oven. Like down home, Tennessee. These are good biscuits. You can add your eggs, your jelly, your syrup, whatever you want on it. Very bomb. It really didn't take long to make. That face right there. He is a happy player. My grandbaby, guys.
My big baby. Yes, I have a big too. My daughter. That's my lady right here. Yeah, look at her. What's wrong with her face?
Success. And I'm done. So on to the next. Pray you guys are doing well. Pray you guys had a great, wonderful holiday. And may God bring you everything that your heart desires. But it has to be in Him first. So remember that. So peace. See you guys next video.